gosh. Oh my gosh, we got it.
Hey, we got it on film.
Wow, look at that. Oh baby, oh.
Notice there's no wiggling of the animal. He is completely dead.
Oh, I thought he was going to eat it like that. One bite. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
How is his neck even long enough? Or wide enough?
Yeah?
Oh, you can see it going down. Woo. That's amazing.
Yep. Thank you, buddy.
Wow. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner for you. That's a big meal.